Hello students, welcome back to my channel Trivisha classes. Students, in today's class we will see the story of Unity is Strength. So let's start. Once upon a time there was a hunter. He wanted to catch birds. He spread a net on the ground and sprinkled some rice over it. Soon a flock of pigeons saw the rice scattered on the ground. As soon as they started eating it, their claws got trapped in the net. "Oh, what? We are trapped. What do we do now?" a little pigeon said. "A hunter had spread a net here," another one said. "Do not worry," the queen of the pigeons said. "Unity is strength. Let us fly away carrying the net." Each pigeon picked up a small part of its net. Soon all pigeons flew away together carrying the net. The hunter was shocked. He ran after the pigeons, but they soared high in the sky. Soon they reached a mountain. "My friend Mouse lives here. He will help us," the queen of pigeons said. The pigeons landed on the mountain. Mouse came with his friends and they cut the net. The pigeons thanked the mice and flew away.